Hello, everyone. My name is Chad Dillard, and today we're going to show you how to export a digital elevation model from your point cloud in LP360 drone. So let's get started. I'm going to open up my project, and I've already got a classified point cloud. So exporting your elevation models is similar to the way we exported contours. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can check that one out. But most of the work is done prior to the export, right? So you need, if you want a bare earth model, you need a ground classified point cloud. So the bulk of that work is done in a previous step, and we have a video for the ground classification step as well. So if you haven't seen those, you can check those out. But this step is basically just an export process. I'm going to export a surface based on a point classification, and then during the export step, I define which point classes that I want to use to export. I've got a boundary polygon here. This is our area of interest, so I'm going to export the elevation model, and I'm going to clip it to that boundary. So to do that, we're just going to use the export wizard. I'm going to choose surface as the export type. The source points, since I've already done the ground classification, I'm going to choose the ground points as the source points, and then it'll export a surface of only those points. All right, so I choose the ground, choose the type, defaults to elevation model, so I'll just leave it there, and I'll choose the format. For this, I'm going to export a GeoTIFF. It's a commonly used format. It's one that we use when we're exporting an elevation model, say to build your orthomosaic as well. You can supplement your ortho building with an elevation model. Uh, so So I've defined the point classification that makes up the surface. I've defined the attribute and the file type. So I'll move on to the next step. Okay. So we're going to change the pixel size. Uh, for this demo, I'm just going to use a 1 foot pixel size, but you can put whatever pixel size you need for your project. I'm also going to clip this to a boundary. So we're going to cookie cut by a polygon. I've already got a polygon for my project. So I'll just choose that option, and then I'll choose which layer represents the polygon I want to clip to. And I'll choose the output location. I'm going to have it insert the outputs into the map. So I'll click finish. It'll take maybe a minute, and then I'll have an elevation model in my project. So now I can see in my map, I can see the elevation model. I can zoom in and see the pixel resolution, see all the little details of these stream beds leading into this valley in the stream area. All right, so that's how you export an elevation model from your LiDAR data using LP360 drone. Thanks everyone for watching. My name is Chad Dillard. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact one of the sales reps. You can go onto the website lp360.com and contact us from there. Thanks.